Hello everyone, I'm CHNDY. I'm a photographer, director, and I do a bunch of other things. And I just got the chance to try the X100VI for the first time at SOLED DXP. I just love how compact the camera is, and it fits right in my pocket whenever I'm walking around and being all over the place, taking pictures of my friends, family, and I always love to document things around me. I always try to find myself between weird positions, just trying to capture this moment. So a 23mm fixed lens on a compact camera is just perfectly what I need. Because of the built-in flash, I had no worries shooting at night. I was all over the place. And let me just say, the colors, chef's kiss. The film simulation that I got to use was really ace. Everything makes it feel like nostalgic and beautiful. Thank you Fujifilm for letting me try using the X100VI camera. I'm just saying maybe I'm not gonna give it back.